So, we've been working on this car very hard, very hard. We've actually got the chassis harness completely working. So, brake lights work, turn signals work, headlight works, everything works. So now it's time to get the engine harness done. So right now we're gonna wire up the fuel relay. How do you feel, Rafa? You want to show him? You don't have your keys. Oh well, fuck. Never mind then. We'll come back later. We're working on the Nova. Rafa bought a canopy. I don't know if I talked about it, but that's a big fucking move right here. But basically everything works. The headlights work. The turn signals work. We got all that wired. It's working. How does that make you feel, Rafa?
Makes me feel pretty ecstatic, brother.
It only took like 2 days of well, one thing was wrong. We couldn't get the turn signals to work correctly, and that was because on the steering column where everything connects to each other, I guess that thing was just messed up. We ended up getting a new turn signal switch, and now everything works. The other problem they had was one of the grounds, but we ended up figuring that out. But right now, we kind of have the PSI harness like haphazardly installed. Everything is not final done. We're just trying to make sure the thing runs, and then when it runs, we'll make everything look pretty. But here, so we got the PSI harness plugged in. We got everything wired. I know it looks bad. We're gonna loom it, and it's gonna look nice. Everything's connected correctly, and it's just not final done. But I got the fuel pump relay wired in right now. So let me mark. Oh, your keys are here, Rafa. Look at the key where it actually does something now. So that's the fuel pump. So the fuel pump works. The starter works. Right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook the orange and the yellow wire. I'm gonna ground one and power the other just to trick the ECU right now to start it. And in theory, this thing should start right now. We also don't have the right length spark plug wires because I've been bitching for weeks, but Rafa didn't buy them. How do you feel? This is all your fault. So we're gonna take this off and just kind of let it hang, but we won't talk about that, huh, Rafa? So I'm gonna go hook up those two wires right now, and then in theory, everything should turn on. The only thing that we don't have connected, I think this is manifold pressure, but hopefully it doesn't need that. So yeah, you ready, Rafa? After how many years?
5?
5 years? This thing is it's finally gonna roar to life, hopefully right now. We checked right now. We were gonna do this earlier, but we worked on the fuel pump, on the fuel tank, I should say, because when we got it, it's an air motive tank. They actually put the black and the wire the black and the red wire swapped, the positive and the negative swapped. So when we put the positive and the negative on the post, it was incorrect. So we had to take the whole fuel system down and figure out why we weren't getting any fuel system. But basically, air motive cost us like 2 hours. This thing might have started already, but hopefully right now I got my little OBD2 reader, and we'll click this thing on right now, and it turns over and it starts. You ready?
I'm ready.
But you ready? How many years in the making?
5.
If it starts, be ready to turn it off. Like, don't let it run for like a long time.
Okay. Just scream at me.
Okay. Alright, here. I'll tell you what. I gotta hold the wires on the ground. Alright, one minute. Alright, go for it. Go again. Alright, try now. Shut the fuck up. Alright, one more time. Go. Stop.
Don't give it gas. They're not.
Okay. All right. Well, it cranked over for a second and wanted to start. Go. Go. All right, well, let's just start looking at stuff real quick.
Is it because it's not in park?
It is in park. The car thinks it's in park. I mean, it starts for a second. Here, go over there and hold the wire. And let me try it. I'm sorry if I steal your thunder. See that orange wire? This one? Yeah, hold it to the bottom. Like, go put your finger on it. Oh. Feel on top. Come on. Oh, feel on fire? Hold on. Where's this? Oh, that's one. There's the mark. Ready?
Oh, the fuel, bro. All right, so we gave it a second go.
Ran for like same
2
thing as
seconds.
before. Now we have a little fuel leak.
Yeah. Let's see if we can show it.
Where the fuck is that leaking out of? Oh shit. Why is it leaking so bad out of there?
I'm not sure.
Let's jack the car up and then see if I can tighten this, or maybe, oh, I wonder if it's just because it's pushing up against the, oh, you know what? I wonder if it didn't seal right. This is burnt shit out of my cut. Ow, fuck. Oh, that hurts so bad. Fuck. Okay, so it's not leaking out of there, which is normally what it does, but it's leaking from right there.
So we just gotta tighten it?
I guess so. Maybe we didn't tighten it all the way hard enough. It looks like it's just coming out of this seam right here, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, go get the dash eight, and then the blue one.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay, it's not leaking right now. Crank it for a second. Stop. Okay. All right. Well. Oh, shit, so it does not leak anymore. It's weird. Okay. All right. Go. 40 seconds. Take 2.
All right, attempt 2.
Temp 3, really. But yeah.
Whatever. You want me to do it longer?
Yeah. Well, did you turn it off right away?
Yeah.
Oh, well, no, let it run for a second. Turn it off. It ran. It fucking ran. Yes! 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 It smoked a lot, though. Did you hear it? Alright, guys. It ran.
Do you want me to?
It doesn't have any mufflers on there.
Oh, is that why?
Yeah. You ready?
I was just double checking the.
Ready?
Wow, that's insane.
Let's go. Dude. Finally.
Holy shit.
All right, Ralph, how do you feel, brother? It started.
Ecstatic, brother.
Oh, man. All right,
Ecstatic.
so the thing runs. We need a... We're not going to do the first drive probably for like another couple weeks. We got to go through the whole front end. We got to loom everything, make sure all this is nice, put grommets on some things. But after 5 years, Rafa, was it all you ever wanted and more?
It's better.
It's better. All right, we just put the car down real quick. We're gonna just start it one more time, even though we shouldn't because we don't have gauges and everything, but we just want to hear it one more time while it's on the ground. So let me set up the camera because I gotta go be the ground for one of the wires. So 1 second. You look good, Rafa. You look good. Should we put the hood on it?
All right.
Why is it not sitting right?
It's because the hinge.
Yeah. Well, whatever. Good enough. Let's go. Well, I don't know how well this video turned out, but
10 out of 10.
it runs. Brother, let's go. Let's go. We fucking got it. So, we're going to finish this thing. We're only running it for like 10 seconds because we don't have any oil pressure gauges. The Dakota digital gauges are on the way. But it's all finishing stuff now, which is kind of not so much fun. So we won't record too much. I mean, we'll record some of it, but not crazy amount. We got a nut and bolt. We got a nut and bolt the whole front end of the car. We got to finalize all the wires. My phone alarm went off, but basically we got a nut and bolt. Check the whole front of the car, drive shaft, finalize all the wires, the carpet and stuff. Oh, we also got to get his power steering pump on because we have the manual one on right now, and. But hopefully in the next, 2 to 3 weeks, we'll do its first drive, as long as the parts don't take forever. And then, I don't know, maybe a little road trip, huh, Rafa?
Yep. Okay.
All right, so we'll see you guys next time.